Honorable Chief Guest, Shri Game Singh, respected Chairperson, respected Vice Chairperson, Director Sir, esteemed faculty members, and all my dear friends. Thank you very much for this incredible honor. You know, Malcolm Gladwell in his book, The Outlier, said, "Who you are cannot be separated from where you came from." Today, standing on this podium, I feel extremely proud to acknowledge the fact that the name and legacy of Jaipuria Institute of Management is going to stay with me till my last breath. I feel confident enough to say that the core values and beliefs of Jaipuria family that have been inculcated in all of us will definitely help us to deal with the times of crisis in our lives and will also help us to lay the foundations of our success in future. At this point of time, it is really very difficult for me to summarize all my experiences in Jaipuria in a couple of minutes. But I'll try to do so by taking a clue from what we learned in Jaipuria. I'll try to do so by using two keywords that have been really of prime importance for all of us during our journey in Jaipuria. And these two keywords are key learnings. So I can see a lot of smiles over there. So for all of those who are not so well versed with these two words, especially in context with Jaipuria, I'll try to explain the same with the help of an example. So for example, if you're reading a piece of paper, a magazine, an article or a newspaper for that matter, right from the very first day in Jaipuria, we have been taught that once you are done with the reading part, you need to reflect back upon what you've gone through in order to identify the value additions in your existing knowledge and wisdom. To simplify it further, we can say that we need to identify or we need to analyze our key learnings after reading that piece of literature. So today, my three key learnings from Jaipuria that I would like to share with all of you. First, always have an unquestionable integrity. Now when we talk about integrity, integrity is not about doing the right things only at the times when people are policing on you. Real integrity is doing the right thing, knowing that nobody would know whether you did it or not. So it's all about keeping a tab on your own actions, words and deeds. Second, always have a knack for learning. When we talk about learning, learning is a term that we normally associate with students going to schools and colleges. But for me, learning is a never-ending process. You remember when we were kids, we used to come up with questions like why the sky is blue, why the birds are flying high, and what exists in three different states, solid, liquid, gases, and so on and so forth. But with the passage of time, what happens? This curiosity keeps on declining, and there comes a point in our lives where this curiosity almost becomes zero. An individual who is happy with his present state of knowledge and wisdom is going atrophy. So let's be an avid learner, and without losing that curiosity, keep on coming up with new questions and learning new things in life. Third, but not the last, always give your 100% in whatever you're doing. Give your head, heart, hands into it. With a special reference to corporate world, since a lot of us are already working there, the remaining of us will be joining there soon. Make your job your calling. Make your work your passion. Work in such a fashion that your work becomes your stress buster, rather than creating stress for you. I would also like to thank all the esteemed faculty members, administrative staff, and each and every single member of Jaipuria family who have worked extensively over the past 2 years for providing us with an exceptional and phenomenal learning environment. Let's have a big round of applause for all of them. Last but not the least, I would also like to thank my family. This would not have been possible without you guys. And I would like to conclude my speech by giving an assurity on behalf of all of you present here to the honorable management of Jaipuria that all of us today sitting here, whether in the roles of students or in the roles of alumni, will be the goodwill ambassador for the institution in the times to come. Thank you. Thanks a lot.